We got a drift ready 2006 Infiniti G35. Look at that. It's a work in progress. But what we got done on it, so we can show you. Factory converter, Y's into a single. Then we took the resonator off and put a NETAMI part number NT22519BK right there. 19 inches long. So he didn't want too much rasp. These cars are known for being really raspy and loud. So if you want to tame them, that's what you put. There's the part number again. And there'll be a link in the description for it, guys. And also, here's the tailpipe. Somebody else did a muffler delete on it for him. So we left that alone and put a double tip in the Tommy double tip out the back. There'll be a link for it also. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And there's the resonator that was on it. Look at this thing. It looks like a suitcase checkerboard. Yeah, that's awesome.
Like it. It's clean, but it's still got a little bit to it. Let everybody know. Sound decibels? 112 was the peak. Let you guys hear it on the inside. We put a NETAMI tip on it, or a NETAMI resonator.